Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Truecaller Premium. So I'll first launch the Truecaller app, and then you want to come here at the bottom right and click on Premium. So they do have plans where they give you a 7-day free trial if you're a new subscriber, or a 14-day free trial if you take the yearly plan, 7 days for the monthly plan. And they also have this one as well for family, where they give you a 14-day free trial for new subscribers. Choose whatever is applicable to you, what suits you. I'll choose the monthly plan here, so I'll click on this, and I'll be making the purchase using my Google Play account. Now here you can see the terms, so they will remind me 2 days before my trial ends that they'll not charge me if I cancel before this date. Okay. Now you can use this as your payment method and just click on subscribe, or you can change it as well. So if I open this up, you can see this is my Google Play balance. It's insufficient, so I cannot use this one. But you could redeem a code and get more, Google Play balance, or you can buy Google Play credit. You can use PayPal, or you can add another debit or credit card. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So you just come here and put in your card number, expiration date and CVV code. I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so the card is being added to my Google account. And now with this new card, I'll just go ahead and click on subscribe, and Google Play is currently processing it. And there we go. We are currently subscribed. Okay. So I can come here and close this. We can turn this on. That's okay. All right. Now we are here on our Truecaller, and we have been successfully upgraded to Truecaller Premium monthly. Okay, really that easy and simple. There you go.